The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and according to some of the information that I got about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that I heard in this video, I get the understanding that this video shows a hostile confrontation between residents within a place that is known as Accompong town, Maroon town, that is within the country of Jamaica, and members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see me? Now, some persons might just call the place Accompong town, while some persons might call the place Maroon town. You understand me? But anyways, it is said that residents within that Maroon town asked police officers to leave that Maroon town. Now, by presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you might get a good understanding as to why that had happened. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think about that as well. You see me? And this video is being talked about on social media. You don't know me, Seriousskilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So I'm going to present this video to you right about now. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
The boy from Desperate can't do nothing. You see that screen boy?
Alright. Facebook Live. Facebook Live. Watch out. Maroons. 1738. The 1738 surrender. Facebook Live. The police them come a Maroon town and a pull gun power way. Them a violate. We have them a violate the 1738 surrender. We want to know when the Jamaican government get jurisdiction over a compound town. I make you see them badge number.
Don't hide the badge, brother. Don't hide the badge. Hear me.
The 1738 surrender. You have no jurisdiction in a compound town. Whole world. Facebook Live. Facebook Live. Facebook Live. Facebook Live. The man draw him gun. See him gun there. Him not have no jurisdiction. Facebook Live. See there on Facebook Live. The whole world I see you. The whole world. The whole world I see you. You can't violate. You pull your gun in a Maroon town. Me, hey, Assistant Commissioner Moody. I'm here you go you it together Moody. Assistant Commissioner Moody. We are gonna take on this. The police boy have to know him jurisdiction. You can pull your gun. You're in a trouble. You're in a trouble. You can violate my town. 1738. Could you fight for this? Could you fight for this? You see your squad you tell you for go. Your squad you tell you for go. Leave the town. Your squad you tell you for go. Your squad is telling you to go. Hey, see the whole world I watch here. See the whole world. The whole world. And the whole town you have to kill. Calm down. Yo, warriors, calm down. Calm down. Yo, calm down. Calm down. Yo, calm down. If you fire one shot in our compound, we charge you. My name is Daniel Basra. Call down the whole Jamaica. We are going to settle the indigenous sovereignty once and for all. What you doing in our compound? What you doing? Call down the whole JDS. Call the whole JDS.
Load up. Load up. You sure? If I be Maroon, they are different. But children, they are Maroon. If me have it, to load up. If me have it, children, Maroon. If me have it, children, Maroon. If I have Maroon alone, they are different. Family. No, the children, we will talk. Children, the family. So, you don't have no jurisdiction to come in our town. Not for me, I say. Children they maroon if they don't take the test.
You know, it no matter. And them come as our guests. And we for run them and them for run them.
They want the mask. They want the mask.
You have no jurisdiction. Fire the shot now. Fire the shot now. Fire the shot. And my town and your town. You not getting a law up yourself. And we have jurisdiction.
No money, man. No money, bro. No money, man. Ain't gonna. No money, man.
Big girl will cut your fight.
You know what, brother? I'll be a maroon here, brother. Children, they
I got no business.
tell me that easy to my
Oh, I told.
yeah,
we decide who
what
come here.
what you know, children, we too.
Bring it.
You know, brother?
Bring it. Let me gonna bring it. Bring it. All the strangers there. And we decide the stranger to come. We not care.
Somebody the health and thing, brother.
That's easy. We know what you mean. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Nobody go back there, man. That's easy. That's easy.
Hey, don't go on international news. You know what I mean, you know? And this is what it is down to, because the community is unrelenting. In 1738, they surrendered around at Kinder Tree, around there, to Kojo. We are not going to give up that surrender to no one, to no police, nobody. We are not going to give that up. And the Jamaican government and all, what we find is that the Jamaican government and all the ignorant people who have no intelligence, and the Jamaican government has been busy trying to co-opt the maroon sovereignty, not only of accompong town, but of all the other maroon villages. They are trying to come in because we sit on uranium. Let me tell you people, the geochemical map of the Jamaica done in 1996, 92 at the University of the West Indies shows that accompong sits on uranium, and they want to come in as if they have authority to come and mine our uranium. We know, I Daniel Basra know. Just cool, Kenny. You see, and they don't understand, my people, that they're dealing with a set of people who we have fought unrelentingly, unhesitantly. Our ancestors fought. See which one there? This is my great-grandfather's house. This is the house that my grandmother was born in. The great Barwell. This is the house that Barwell built. This is Barwell Old House. We are not ready to die. But we know that those police, if we decided, they could not leave Maroon Town. They even know we can make sure they don't get down the hill. We know they cannot get down the hill. So they're attempting to do what? Intimidate our community. The Jamaican government and it's a temp. Yeah, man. The Jamaican government and its attempt to infringe on the 1738 surrender is not going to win because the young Maroons are intelligent, edified, and aware. We know our rights. It is not Daniel Buzzer alone. If you want to do policing, go and do policing down in Jamaica. When they surrendered at Kinder Tree in 1738, it means they have no jurisdiction over us. We dare. And you see, whoever was in charge of that police squad is going to have to answer. Assistant Commissioner Moody may live on the same building, Moody, man. Come on, Moody. They don't understand it because these little two fenkers that they send running around to intimidate my people. Need to understand. We are going to demand a thorough investigation. We will need to know who sent them up here because they have no jurisdiction. He chambered around in his firearm. That officer chambered around in his firearm in a compound town. He has no jurisdiction, as if he could intimidate the community.
If you know ourselves, if we give them one low pole and take it off, we fight for this.
Fight for this.
Fight for this.
Fight for this.
Blood clot this.
Fight for this.
We're dead for you, so. Any boy don't care, any boy don't dead for you, so can't talk to me. Any boy.
We're kill feet, we're not dead. We my life too important. People have to get dead for this.
So can't talk to me. Oh, can't tell a man that I can't tell a girl that. But I wear a girl and a boy wants.
Whoever was in charge of that squad, whoever was in charge on the station duty is going to have to answer because we are starting an investigation Monday morning. What was he doing in accompong? He has no jurisdiction in accompong. Chamber, how dare him? Chamber around in his firearm in accompong as if to threaten the indigenous people. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has launched an attack on the sovereign rights of indigenous people. We don't care about your coronavirus. This is our community. We are all here. We have no coronavirus. And whoever we invite here are here at our invitation. How dare he?
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing I'm going to say, I do not support crime and violence. It doesn't matter if you're a police officer or not. You see me? I do not support crime. I do not encourage crime. I do not support violence, and I do not encourage violence. It doesn't matter who you are. You see me? I say police are not police. You see? Now, me listen to some of the things that have been said in this video, and I look at this video. You see what I'm saying to you? And I am wondering why members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force went to that place in the first place. You see what I said to you? Maybe they went there to do some form of investigation, or maybe they went there because the persons were not wearing masks or something. You see me? I'm just wondering, you understand, because I don't really and truly get the full understanding why they went there in the first place. You see me? I said, all right, but anyways, I hear a person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that the person is saying that uranium is there at that place. You see me? And above all, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems as if these persons are defending something that their ancestors fought for. You see me? Yeah, and it seems as if they are defending land that their ancestors fought for. You see what I said to you? Yeah, that's the understanding that I get, But anyways, I'm just telling you what I think, viewers and subscribers, It might not be accurate. I might not be even right. You understand? So you can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right, but I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? And yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Viewers and subscribers, I saw this video and I think some of the things that happened in this video is interesting. You see me? I say I bring this video to you so that you can listen and take a look at this video, and you can tell me what you think. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.